Hey, what's up? This is Chad. I got a 2003 ZX12. Little accident about a month ago. Trying to fix some spark plugs. So that led to a whole bunch of other shit. So I've been in her guts for about a month. Had a Yoshi on it. Yoshi Mira RS3. And then changed that to just a shorty slip-on. And now I finally got my alien head, the Brox. Check it out. Yeah, full exhaust all the way. Brand new radiator, new plugs, fixed the gasket. Just been working. So here's a sound check. ZX12 with a Brox alien head, titanium full system. So let's get started. This is a cold start. Needless to say, I'm very happy with the system. So, like the page, not right.